County 911, where is your emergency?
Nothing happens in the county without us getting our hands on it first.
We want to be the first of the first responders. We want to help.
We are one of the largest in the United States, but we are the largest in Virginia.
We handle over 1 million calls a year.
We need people and we need leaders.
DPSC stands for the Department of Public Safety Communications. We're the linchpin to the public safety ecosystem that relates to police, fire, sheriff, or rescue within the county.
When I tell people I'm a 911 operator, it is a conversation starter.
Our folks get sent all over the country to learn new things in the 911 industry.
There's so much room for growth. There's so many different departments and ways that you can go here.
I started fresh out of college. I am in charge of a team of about 40 individuals.
Right now I'm one of the academy instructors. What happens is after they finish their 12 weeks with us, they go to on-the-job training.
It's not just taking phone calls, we're immersed in the latest technologies.
Every position is dedicated to what they're doing. Police dispatchers only speak to the police. Fire dispatchers only speak to the fire department.
We are set up differently like that because of our size.
The leadership here is very fair, diverse.
We're touching all parts of the community to make sure that we represent the people who call in here so that they feel comfortable calling.
It is very unique to Fairfax County that we share the same pension plan as the first responders in the field.
I have a lifetime annuity in the retirement system here. I'm taking all of that with me.
You don't need to be 21 to start here. You can be 18 right out of high school.
If you are interested in this job, you are able to do a sit-along pre-hire process. See if you can do it or not.
So it's just not coming to a job. You will write your own resume here where you can take it anywhere in the country.